Hello and welcome to Speak English with me. I am Linda, your host for today's shadowing practice session. I'm so glad you're here. Shadowing is a powerful technique to improve your fluency and pronunciation. You will listen to me, and then repeat exactly what I say during the pauses. Let's begin with some professional phrases. Our first sentence is, effective communication is the key to professional success. Now, it is your turn to repeat. Great job. Next sentence. I am looking forward to collaborating with your team on this project. Listen closely, and repeat after me. Moving on to daily life. Phrase 3. Could you please tell me how to get to the nearest train station? Now, you try it. Let's practice a bit faster. It's essential to maintain a healthy work-life balance for long-term productivity. Give it a go. Excellent effort. Now, let's try. Would you mind providing some feedback on the latest draft of the report? Your turn to speak. You are doing wonderful. Consistency is the secret to mastering any language. Let's do one more. I really appreciate your help with this matter. Communication. Repeat after me. Effective communication is the primary key to achieving long-term professional success in any industry. Great job. Now let's try this. I look forward to collaborating with you and your talented team on this exciting new project next month. Next sentence. Could you please clarify the main objectives and expected outcomes of the upcoming board meeting scheduled for Friday morning? Now, let's practice workplace balance. It is absolutely essential to maintain a healthy work-life balance to ensure long-term productivity and personal well-being. Moving on to strategy. We need to analyze the current market trends carefully before finalizing our marketing strategy for the upcoming fiscal year. Let's try a sentence about feedback. I truly appreciate your constructive feedback and will certainly incorporate your suggestions into the final project draft. Try this one. Building a strong professional network is vital for career development and uncovering hidden opportunities within your chosen career field. You are doing excellently. Consistency is the most important factor when it comes to mastering a new language and gaining full speaking confidence. Developing a growth mindset is essential for long-term career advancement. Developing a growth mindset is essential for long-term career advancement. Next, let's look at communication. Effective communication requires not only speaking clearly but also listening with genuine empathy. Effective communication requires not only speaking clearly but also listening with genuine empathy. Effective communication requires not only speaking clearly but also listening with genuine empathy. Effective communication requires not only speaking clearly, but also listening with genuine empathy. Our final practice sentence. Consistency is the primary key to mastering any new skill, especially when learning a foreign language. Consistency is the primary key to mastering any new skill, especially when learning a foreign language. Consistency is the primary key to mastering any new skill, especially when learning a foreign language. Consistency is the primary key to mastering any new skill, especially when learning a foreign language. You've done an incredible job today. Remember, shadowing just a few minutes every day will transform your pronunciation and confidence. Thank you for practicing with me. Keep up the great work, and I will see you in our next session. Goodbye.